Welcome to the Google Docs training video dealing with the Tools menu. This video will deal directly with just the Tools menu, so I'll put my training doc here, and I'm going to click on Tools menu, and we'll see what drops up. There's my spelling option, so click on that. It's going to scan through and check with any spelling. Didn't have any mistakes there, so nothing's going to pop up. No spelling suggestions. All right. If you have show spelling suggestions on, then they should already pop up for you, so you don't have to worry about that. If you don't have that turned on, then you're going to want to run spelling there. One very cool feature is the research button. So we click on research, a menu will pop up over here, and so here you can type in research like we'll type in Gifford because he passed away. So pull him up, and you can see that it pull up. There's Frank Gifford there, and give me a lot of information related to him. I can hover over something. Say I can see a preview, so I click on preview. Gives me what this website's going to look like. I don't want to go there, but I can also insert a link in case I want to go ahead and do that. You see, it shows up over here as a link. I can also cite it, so I can click on cite, and it pops up a little 1. If I scroll down to the bottom, you can see that it has a little 1 with where it came from, what year it's from, and the actual link to the actual article. So very cool as well to do that. If you're talking about pictures, so I can insert a picture. I can do different sizes. Also, I want a small picture of him, and go ahead and insert that. So we'll take an insert. There's his picture, and you can see that down here, put a little number 2 next to that picture, and it tells me exactly where that came from, biography.com. So very helpful within that as well. So the research tool is very, very powerful. If you notice the little G, you can actually filter it. I want to filter to only images. I want to look for scholarly sources only. I can look for quotes by him. So let's see if I can find any quotes. No quotes by him. I can look at dictionary, personal, and then look at for tables that have some information on them there. So plenty of options within that search type. So it's pretty cool. Going back to my menu, you can click on define. So if you have a word, let's highlight this word here, features. Go to tools and set define. And over here, you just notice that feature has defined here as a noun or a verb. So students can, if they come across a document or a word that they're not sure of, whether they're looking at a document that you gave them or a document that another student gave them, they're like, well, I'm not sure what this word means. They can actually define words within that particular thing. Another helpful tool is the word count. So I pull up word count, and it tells me that I have one page. I have one word of 72 words highlighted. Of those 72 words, I have 376 characters. And this word that I've highlighted, 8 letters are in that word, 310 letters there as well, excluding spaces. So no spaces, 310 spaces. So going back, translate the document, so I can translate that to different languages if I want to. I'm not going to do that, but you could. Script editor, you're not going to really use that very much. If you know a lot about creating scripts, then you probably aren't watching these videos. So we're going to go ahead and bypass that real quick. And then preferences. So when you type in parentheses with a C in the middle, it's going to change that over to a copyright. When you type in these fractions, it's going to rewrite it like a fraction. So if you want to add new, so if there's something that you always write that you want to show up somewhere else or some other way, you can do that within here. So I've never actually used that, but you could if you so choose. And then personal dictionary. So if there happens to be words that come along, like my name is spelled differently than most, so I'll add my name spelled correctly so that when I type my name in, it doesn't say it's spelled incorrectly, because it's usually spelled with an A at the end instead of the O. So you could add words as needed, or if you add words on the fly, it'll add them within here, your personal dictionary there. So that is all of the different tools within the Tools menu.